International Women's Day 2021. Theme: Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. March 8th, 2021. Executive Director of the Institute for African Women in Law, Japa Dawuni, states, "Access to justice for some women is a matter of life and death. Access to justice for women in a global pandemic cannot be put on hold." In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Institute for African Women in Law created a blog series that encouraged individuals to write critical and analytical articles about the international implications of the pandemic on women. Articles posted discuss the following themes: challenges caused by the pandemic, practical innovations in resilience, contributions made by women through law and justice mechanisms, and changes to working arrangements for legal professionals. Here are some of the blogs written by women on the website. Unveiling Subalternity, Women in the Legal Professions Across Africa. At our 3-day conference, Unveiling Subalternity, Women in the Legal Professions Across Africa, Rose Mbanya discussed the challenges that the pandemic presented to women in legal practice and provided recommendations for the way forward. In a post-COVID-19 world, law firms should provide inclusive accommodations such as flexible work arrangements and remote working, recognize that gender-inclusive accommodations advance women's careers and the economic benefits of law firms, create opportunities for women at the decision-making tables. The Institute celebrates our women partners who have shown great leadership during this pandemic. We would like to congratulate Kamala Harris, the first woman of color who holds the position of Vice President in the United States. We'd also like to thank Dr. Funzile Malabo Nka, Executive Director at UN Women. Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Director General of the World Trade Organization, former board chair of Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, we would also love to congratulate. Chief Justice Irene Membi-Lema of Zambia states, "COVID-19 has generated the need for our judiciary to increasingly invest in digital technology. As we do so, we are mindful of vulnerable groups, especially women, who generally have limited access to digital platforms. We are leaving no one behind." Chief Justice Mabel Agyemang of Turks and Caicos, originally from Ghana, states, "COVID-19 has transformed how judiciaries around the world work. Using technology to expand access to justice in a post-COVID world should be centered to judicial leadership. We must use technology as a resource for making justice work, cut down on costs, and increase efficiency. Closing the technology gender gap is therefore essential." Isabel Boatin, managing partner of AB and David from Ghana, states, "A challenge provides you with the greatest opportunity to defy even your own beliefs about yourself and unveil a better version of you." Osai Ojigo, country director of Amnesty International from Nigeria, states, "When faced with uncertainty, you have two choices: freeze and do nothing, or step out of your comfort zone and grow. Leadership is about confronting the unknown courageously with determination to succeed." We would also like to thank Julia Sabutinde, Judge of the International Court of Justice, Miaza Ashinafi, Chief Justice of Ethiopia, Monica Mugeni, former Principal Judge of the East African Court of Justice, Funke Agboa, partner of ACAS Law in Nigeria, as well as Dr. Mayama Bello Asaji of Counsel, Udo Odoma and Bello Asaji from Nigeria, Sandy Okoro, Senior Vice President and General Counsel at the World Bank Group, Kathleen Matolo Delepu, Chairperson of the Legal Practice Council from South Africa, and Sheila Minka Primo, Senior Managing Partner of Apex Law Consult from Ghana. Thank you for joining us. The Institute celebrates all of the women who have shown leadership in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. For more information on women's leadership in law, please visit our website and look at our initiatives. Here's where you can follow us.